to subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, and get notified when the video drops.
What's up?
Hi, how are you?
Sorry, just handling quite a few things. So मैं थोड़ा late हो
Yes,
जाता हूँ. 8 minutes late today, which is still a record because usually आधा घंटा late हो जाता हूँ. I
but
didn't
you
know.
won't
Yeah,
believe.
to tell all my these fans here, sorry guys. हम लोग में कुछ confusion हो गया. मेरे को, Morjo.
Yes.
He, I don't know. He told me 5 और वो 5 already post हो गया और मैं 4 बजे सोने गया हूँ. इसलिए late
Oh
हो गया.
shit. No, that's okay. But you know what? The best part is that your fans are like, we love him and we are ready to wait for him. And also, you
They
have
are
a
the
big fan
sweetest.
following, which
Thank
is
you.
very supportive.
How are you? What's up?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you dealing with this lockdown? How is this pandemic? Is it
I
stressing you? कैसे
I
चल रहा
think I think it's something every musician wants because no one's on their back now. Okay, कल shooting है
है?
या
Right.
परसों shooting है, so it's been a good time and little different, because usually we like to go out all of us. But I think for
Yeah.
musicians, it's a good time to internalize, think, make new songs. मेरे लिए it was a break after 3 years that I've gotten to sit down and spend some time and just make music.
Acha, right. Also, your new episode is going to be aired this Saturday. MX Players Times of
Yes.
Music.
Yes.
Yes, so उसकी उसकी recording shooting already हो गई है. So you can
Yes.
tell your fans what is it about and which song are you composing of
Uh,
Shantanu's.
Amex Player
Shantanu
is
Moitra is a part of this.
the Times of Music show is like, it's a very legendary concept in itself with, such stalwarts, Vishal Dadlani, Shekhar,
Yes.
and Kalyanji Anandji's music, R.D. Burman. So for me, I think I'm the youngest on the show. And to be part of such a great concept with such big, talented legends, it's fun. And that one song of Shantanu Moitra sir that I really loved was Give Me Some Sunshine, which I've done in my own way. And I think during
Oh,
COVID
yeah,
days,
yes, I need
all
to
of us,
watch it.
kahin na kahin, have connected to that song and the message it has. So I've given it my own twist. So it's going to be fun. And I'm honored to be a part of such esteemed composers.
Amazing. So, while recording or shooting, I'm definitely, what have you learned out of this entire show? Like anything that you would like to share? Anything like any memories that you made?
The best feeling was, it's never happened before that, even the composer there's a composer who's hosting the show. There, and then two composers
Vishal,
come
yeah,
and, they take the songs they like of each other and they recreate them live with so many musicians.
right,
So, it's coming together of so many performers, which I really like, because today, if you see, a lot of our music has become very electronic, but this is something which is
yes,
like a balance of the new and old. And that's how I also do my
right,
music. Like, even for movies, like, even when I've done an MS Dhoni or if I'm doing a Saina or anywhere, it's always that
hmm,
50% balance of making music in the studio, but also 50% of collaborating with musicians and getting that. So that's something that was the first reason why I jumped onto it because I was like, I can get my musicians and make a version, not just make it on a keyboard and release it. So that's what
right,
is really special in this in all the episodes, I think, because it's the blend of live music and different eras from the 60s till 2000, this whole 2020 tak jitne hai. I mean, from
yes.
that era to now, I've never thought that I'll be on stage where the song of Kalyanji Anandji and those legends are there. So it was
Those
beautiful. I
like
think that collaboration, ki two musicians, one sitting and seeing his own song being interpreted in such a different way, that's cool. I think.
true. True enough. Amal, we are coming up with this concept. अभी ये
Okay.
lockdown चल रहा है, this pandemic and all is there, and people are at home, of course. So we are coming up with this hashtag mental health matters. When we're talking about
Yeah.
musicians, uh, how music really helps you deviate your mind and remove your anxiety, fear, and all those things. So how
Yes.
music has really helped you in this lockdown and all. If you would share it with your audience, so I'm sure we all are going through something. And how do you basically deviate your mind from all the things, negativity that is around you? basically.
I think, music helps not just regular people. Sometimes it helps even the musicians who are making it. Like I feel
Right.
ये इस दिन पे ये करना है, लोग डर रहे हैं, बाहर नहीं आ रहे. So, when they're home, I think it's my responsibility, कि मैं last 2-3 months I've made about 17 songs. I've composed and I've made like a
Okay.
collection. They might come in
Right.
film or non-film. So I think my fans and all my listeners, they always wait. They've been listening to all my previous songs of the last year, and they are agitated. There's a single that's coming with Arman. So these things, making songs for them, I think makes me happy because I feel they don't just take me as a composer; they take me as you know an elder brother, a friend. They're
Yes.
not just my fans. So I feel like they're my family, and I feel ki, even when I'm down, sometimes I feel ki, aaj, I see something, maybe a fan is put or something they've
Hmm.
said, which maybe makes me believe again. So I think that is the best thing about them. That that
Right.
musically they'll share some song of mine or maybe remind me ki you've done such a good job on that song. Everyone needs that motivation today because now you're so
Motivate.
a lockdown, you're in one place, your mind can play tricks on you.
True enough.
So I think whenever I feel, I like, अरे यार, it's not happening. यार, ऐसा भी होता है कि creative block हो गया, गाना नहीं बन रहा. I to just go
हाँ.
grab a big blanket and call for pizza and go to sleep. So I think that's the best remedy कि musician को अगर गाने नहीं आ रहे तो फिर उससे सिर्फ खाना और सो जाना चाहिए. Then next day wake up and try again. You'll have a better song.
Better song, exactly. But yeah, while I was reading your comments, and definitely we got so many comments from your fans. They want to know what are you doing during your quarantine apart from music.
The thing is, I am catching up on 29 hours of sleep, which I've not got in all these months. But obviously, apart from music, I'm also like getting more time to, I'm reading a few things, getting back to reading a few books, which I've not read in like 5-6 years. I used to read them earlier. Now I'm reading a
Interesting.
few books, then seeing a lot of documentaries. I think I've, finished almost so many Netflix episodes that, even the new me, I know what has come, what is done. So I think I'm spending more time apart from music also by doing these things which I've not usually done during the last 2 years.
Right. Netflix से याद आया, you have your fan page called Amal Holic. They have asked you favorite Netflix series that you're watching.
See, my favorite always is going to be Narcos, but
Okay.
but recently I have really liked Dark and Ozark. They're really nice.
Yeah, Dark is really good. Like even I watched it, it's really nice. Yes. Also, there are a few questions. If from your fans, I won't ask you many questions. There are just few questions
No
that
problem.
your fans
Now
would.
that I've come late, we can do that. Well, and I want to say hi to everyone because अभी किसी ने लिखा stop biting your nails. अभी क्या करूँ आदत है वो. Someone's
Okay,
writing
which
अपना
book you read?
Netflix account दे दो.
They're really cute. Your fans are really cute. Okay, so one of your fans have written, Anisha underscore Bhumati Raju. She has said, why do you keep those stone rings on your fingers?
Why do I
You have
keep?
some stone rings.
Yeah, I used to have.
Stone rings.
That's all my mummy. वो उनको जिस दिन कुछ लगता है कि मेरे माइंड में कुछ इम्बैलेंस हो गया है या उनको लगता है कि बेटे के लिए कुछ करो तो वो कुछ ऐसे पत्थर वत्थर पहना देते मैं निकाल देता हूँ. वो मम्मी का देन है मेरा नहीं है. She does all this.
Okay, your next fan page is saying Amal's adherent. Is it getting difficult to make music during lockdown, or it is as normal as before?
See, music, I think, is साथ में बनता है. किसी एक आदमी से नहीं बनता. Obviously, ट्यून मुझसे आती है, but एक टीम होती है कि एक लिरिक्स राइटर होता है. साथ में बैठते हैं एक दूसरे जो पर्सनल सामने का
जी.
इंटरेक्शन होता है is beautiful. Even music
Hmm.
producers, Make Deep, Saurav, who work with me a lot, Abhijit. These guys, like, we used to go to each other's houses, bounce off ideas. वो चीजें थोड़ी I miss, obviously. But in this lockdown, we have recorded an entire orchestra. The whole Macedonian orchestra has been recorded right from here where I'm sitting, with 40 live musicians
Wow.
playing from there wearing masks, and they played for Saina's score. So it was special. I never thought we could pull it off. I was going to take a flight and go to Macedonia before the lockdown, but we managed to, do it, and it sounds great. It's just that,
Yeah.
obviously now is lockdown. Say one more thing which will be good, ki both singers, yeah, composers will actually invest in maybe getting their home studios better set up. Even I was not prepared for it. There was no proper mics and everything, because I never used to record at home. So
Acha.
now I've also started, doing that. So I think every musician upcoming or the ones who are working, everyone should have a nice, good setup where they can, at least put down ideas. That is
True.
important now. Till we can't meet, at least एक idea record हो गया. Luckily, we still have Wi-Fi. जब वो खत्म हो जाए तो
Yeah.
problem होगी. But I think it's beautiful like that also. कि now also on a call, we manage, we discuss ideas, lyrics, changes, सब आमने सामने हो रहा है.
Right.
But more than challenging, it's just that you miss that personal connect. You miss having a good meal with your team, having a good time. But काम तो हो रहा है. मैंने
Yeah.
almost 4-5 songs ऐसे complete किए हैं इस lockdown में.
Acha. That's nice. Okay. So, Amal, Musicophile, they are saying something. Give a message to your Amalians.
I think my Amalians
To all
never
your
want
fans.
messages. They only want me to sing in life. They are only messaging me. Message तो मैं गाने के थ्रू ही दे देता. चलो, let's do it in a
Musical way. Lovely.
Okay, so there's this special song of mine which I think every fan of mine and everyone who's heard also really loves, and I feel it's my message to them forever कि मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, मेरा म्यूजिक सुनते रहना, अच्छा म्यूजिक सुनते रहना, and just remember me through this song because I feel till now it's one of my purest and best. मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, तुम मुझ में कहीं बाकी रहना, मुझे नींद आए जो आखिरी, तुम ख्वाबों में आते रहना.
Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm sure we all are synced into that zone.
आज नहीं गाता तो मुझे और आपको हेट मैसेजेस आते, तो गाना जरूर ही.
Hate messages. People would be bitching about us. Okay, but there are fans telling कि आप online क्यों नहीं आते इतने often?
क्योंकि पूरी दुनिया आती है, तो मुझे लगता है कि मैं हमेशा उल्टा चलता हूँ. जब लोग एक ही चीज कर रहे हैं, मैं देख रहा हूँ आजकल सब लोग बिना वजह लाइव आते, कुछ ना कुछ बोलते हैं, वीडियो बनाते हैं. यानी I think it's a time where I also am enjoying my own space, discovering myself, my music. I've turned 30 also. Fortunately, unfortunately, I don't know. But कहीं ना कहीं I'm coming to terms with my musicality, what I want to do. तो उसके लिए मुझे लगता है कि मैं सोशल मीडिया पे ज्यादा रह के मैं सॉरी कहना चाहता हूँ मेरे फैंस को. तुम लोग के अगेंस्ट नहीं है, but it's just that I don't want to be seeing things, and anyway it's quite a negative atmosphere with the pandemic, and even just mentally I want to be away from it. जब मेरे को लगता है कि मुझे कोई बात कहनी है या मुझे I want to come and present a song to them, it's only then that I come online. Obviously Arman does it more. He's always there, taking care of the lives and everything. He loves doing that. He's the social guy, I'm the anti-social guy.
Yeah, but I mean, of course, we all need our space, and of course, your fans will know that this is just a phase.
Yeah, because
but of course,
isolation में थोड़ा एक time लेके. Now I want to even tell them that they're all asking me, please give a glimpse of your next song. My next single with Arman will be coming out next week. It's called Zara Thero, and उसके लिए आप जरा ठहरो, क्योंकि I'm working on the mix right now, and I'll be putting all that. But what I feel कि वो जो एक थोड़ा सा when you move away from everyone, you find new music, or maybe you find your new music, or you discover again. So I'm just doing that. I'm not running away from them. I'm just finding a new me every time. That's why I do this. So don't mind.
So the answer is here, guys. Please, thoda ठहर जाओ, because Amal is going to get back get back soon with a bang with
Yeah.
this new music.
I think I
Okay,
made them wait
so
too long. So अभी थोड़ा जरा सा ठहरना है अभी आ जाएगा गाना.
okay, your fans are also want to know a little bit of your, like, are you a foodie? Tell me this. Are you a foodie? They want to know
Yeah,
some fans of
completely.
yours.
If I can eat like I live on cheese and chocolates. I am a very wrong.
Which
I
is
don't
your
follow.
favorite chocolate? Some of your fans want to know this. Which is your favorite chocolate and which is your favorite
I
ice cream?
I don't have too many of these cool chocolates in mind, but it's always a simple fruit and nut or a roasted almond. That's the one I really like. And and there's a 4 or 5 cheese pizza from Ray's. It's a place which is in Bandra. That's my favorite.
Okay, lovely, lovely. Also, you're getting a lot of love from your fans in Bangladesh and Pakistan and elsewhere. And
Yes.
they are telling us to tell you, convey to you that how much they are missing you, your music, and when are you going to perform in Andhra Pradesh?
Oh, now performance is something I
When
don't
I
know. You'll have to ask. Like, now it's the show business is slowly starting, but it won't, start immediately till next year. But songs, I promise you, non-film,
right,
lot of things are going to be coming up. I'm also, working towards my debut single, which will feature me. बहुत time से बोल रहा हूँ, but I was about to go on shoot, and the lockdown happened. So I want to say sorry to my fans, but 2-3 गाने आ जाएंगे, and उसके बाद मेरा single भी आने वाला है. मेरे को लगता है मैंने पूरे
okay,
इंटरव्यू ये लाइव इसलिए हुआ है कि मैं अपने फैंस को सॉरी बोल पाऊँ विद यू but I want to say a big thank you. I'm a music composer and I've not been seen much, or I've not singers have a lot of love and popularity, but I would like to say that in
right,
the last 5 or 6 years, seeing fan clubs from Bangladesh, Pakistan, Turkey, and many Malaysia,
yeah,
Indonesia.
many
For me,
places,
I
many
just feel
countries,
blessed that my music, which was just made in this much space from one small studio in Mumbai, and it's reaching the world. So for me, it just makes me work harder and feel proud that I could make something which people are connecting in different parts of the world. So I want to say thank you to all of them.
right. Okay, एक और personal question है Amal, but it's up to you if you want to answer it. So your fans are curious to know कि आप एक relationship में हो. Are you
अभी
single or
अभी वो सब
are
बोलने के
you
लिए थोड़े पैसे लगेंगे. सॉरी. I'm not spilling the beans on
spilling
anything.
the beans?
देखो इन लोग सब ना
Okay.
टेंशन में आ गए. मैं 30 का आगे बोलते भैयू शादी कब कर रहे हो. अभी अभी पहले
Yeah,
अभी मैं 30 का सिर्फ नंबर में हुआ हूँ. मेंटली और इमोशनली अभी 17 अगेन हूँ. तो थोड़ा टाइम है. रुक जाओ.
that's really sweet. It's good to
किस
be a child
किसी
inside.
ने ऑलरेडी लिख दिया कितने पैसे चाहिए.
Oh my God. They're ready to pay you, I'm telling you.
Oh God, no. I don't want anything. I think even the most simplest thing is that this relationship with them is so pure. A lot of people, I
Yeah.
want to make this very clear. बहुत लोगों को ऐसा भी लगता है कि मैं अपने fans को पैसे देता हूँ मेरे बारे में अच्छे बोलने के लिए, पर that's only because they're haters. I think these people not only
Yeah.
connect to my music, they connect to me as a human being. And I want to say, especially the Indian fans who are mostly here today. I think
Yes.
there are very few such relationships which happen with your fandom, that they don't treat you like just a musician or just a singer or a
True.
performer. They treat you like one of their own. So that's the most beautiful thing.
Yes, yes. I'm sure, like definitely so many and all love you so much. So you could give a message, before we end our live, also with a song because we want to hear your voice.
Yeah, your network is slightly getting disturbed. Just
uh,
I can't.
is
Just
it fine right now?
yeah, it's cracking up a little bit.
Hmm.
1 second.
Yeah.
One more song only. Okay, let me think. I'd like to, because I've been very close to this film. It changed my life. It changed Sushant's life also. So I want to dedicate this to him and all the people who made this album, MS Dhoni So Special. So I'll sing a few lines from that.
Yes.
तू आती है सीने में जब जब सांसें भरता हूँ तेरे दिल की गलियों से मैं हर रोज गुजरता हूँ जब तक तेरी आँच में बूंद बूंद मैं जल ना लूं जब तक तेरे साथ में चांद तक मैं जल ना लूं तुझ पे सजे खूबसूरत लगे ऐसा क्या दूं तुझे ऐसा क्या दूं तुझे रास्ते भागे पाँव से आगे जिंदगी से चल कुछ और भी मांगे बेसब्रियां तुझ में खोया रहूं मैं मुझ में खोई रहे तो खुद को ढूंढ लेंगे फिर कभी in the memory of Sushant Singh Rajput
Wow.
and the great man he was. And I'm sorry we couldn't be
Yes.
there for him. And I love you, bro.
Yeah.
And thank you to all the fans who made this album special for both of us. It was where our lives took a turning point. And he'll always be
Okay.
remembered by this film and hopefully by this music.
Yes. It was really, really beautiful. And we all were just like your fans are saying it made us cry. So very emotional.
No, please, I think to make you all smile. Cry and smile, don't just cry.
It was a nice, lovely interaction with you, Amal. And
Thank you so much.
we wish you all the best for your future projects. And yes, definitely come
Save
live
the
with us
live,
again.
save the live. 20 comments are coming to save कर लेना आप.
Yes, definitely. मैं तो save करूँगी. I'll save it definitely. I'll share it as well. Definitely. And a message, last message दीजिए अपने audience के लिए जाते जाते.
मैं सबसे कहना चाहता लॉकडाउन एक्सटेंड हो गया है घर पे रहो एक और महीना एंड ध्यान से जस्ट गेट आउट ओनली फॉर इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग्स एंड म्यूजिक सुनते रहिए आई थिंक दैट इज द मोस्ट कामिंग थिंग इवन व्हेन आई फील यू नो अ लिटिल लॉस्ट मैं अपने गाने नहीं दूसरों के गाने सुनता हूँ उस टाइम पे क्योंकि मैं अपने गानों से अभी यानी देन आई डोंट मैनेज टू मेक न्यू सॉन्ग्स इफ आई हियर माय ओल्ड सॉन्ग्स बट यू लिसन टू ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ म्यूजिक आई वांट देम टू grow their repertoire, listen to English music, listen to Hindi music, good original music, and just stay connected to your family because in this time it's only them who are going to be with you throughout this struggle, through this difficult time. Family and friends ko close rakhiye and just keep smiling. And for me, I'll just say keep loving, keep spreading good vibes through my music. And just keep helping each other. I want all my Amalians, also Armanians, all of them, be connected. We are also a family, so if you have anything, I'm always there. They can talk to me, and I usually try karta sabko reply karu, motivate karu. So don't worry.
Yes.
I've got your back and you've got mine. So I'm with you.
Yes, that's the message from Amal straight away to you guys. And we will have to end our live chat. So,
Yeah, don't worry.
Amal,
I'll come live again soon.
please.
And don't
Or
torture
please stay
this
connected
lady.
with your fans.
Yes, I will.
Thanks.
They're like इतना short था. इन लोगों को 2 घंटे का session usually they used to it because I'm like 1 hour I sing continuously for them. But today I'm finishing the song Zara Thero and so that it releases. I think in a week or so it will
When
be
is
with
it
them.
releasing?
So I think in about a week. I don't know the date yet, but just क्योंकि अभी सब हो गया सिंगिंग हो गया लिरिक्स हो गया शूट हो गया एडिट चल रहा है एंड फाइनल मिक्स चल रहा है सो आई एम गोइंग बैक
Okay.
टू फिनिश दैट फॉर यू गाइस एंड टाइम मिलते ही मैं आ जाऊंगा लाइव
Lovely, 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 lovely. So, Guru, Amal, thank you for giving us time.
thank you to you. Thank you to Radio and Music, and for always writing good, meaningful articles and spreading music. And my first few interviews also were with them. And thank you to them also for supporting and pushing the right things into the market and spreading the right messages. Usually, a lot of places people write rubbish journalism, but I think Radio and Music has always stood up for
That,
right things.
that
So
means
thank
a
you to
lot
them
to
also.
us, and thank you so much. And we'll keep writing about you. Keep
No,
spreading.
no, not for that.
We
I'm
keep
saying you all have
spreading.
always stood for good things.
No,
Supporting new
no.
talents
We
always feels
yes,
good.
yes, definitely we'll be doing that. Yes. Thank you, Amal. Thank you for joining us.
See you. Thank
Bye.
you.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Bye. Have a great day.
You too.
Yes. Bye.